Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, we are going to talk about real estate. What it is, what are the types, why invest in real estate, and what are our investment options. Disclaimer lang, I am not a financial expert and everything I say on this video is based on my own research and knowledge. So please do your own research as well before you invest on anything. What is real estate? Real estate is basically properties consisting of land or buildings. It includes all its natural resources within the land, such as water or minerals. Types of real estate. Land. This refers to vacant land, ranches, or farms. Typically, it is an undeveloped property that has nothing built on it. Residential real estate. These are all types of homes, such as townhouses, apartments, and condominiums. Commercial real estate, so this includes shopping malls, business offices, educational and health centers. Next, we have industrial. On this type of real estate, we have warehouses, factories, research or storage areas, typically any piece of land where products are being manufactured. Why invest in real estate? With its low risk and high return potential, real estate is one of the best options for investment. It provides a safety net against inflation because the value increases over time. The reason for this is mainly because land is scarce, meaning limited. There are only a number of land in this earth, and usually land gets developed. So when land gets developed, typically people want to buy more of this land. So the more people want to buy this land, the more expensive the value will be. Real estate investment options. There are two categories of real estate: physical and non-physical. Under physical, we have land, commercial, residential, and industrial real estate. Usually, this requires a large amount of money to invest in. Land or raw land. This type of real estate investment is usually purchased for commercial or residential property development. However, acquiring land for development needs extensive research. You need to be aware of the construction laws, zoning restrictions, floodplains, and other things that need to be considered. But if you don't plan to develop anything on your land, many land investors lease their properties to agricultural sectors or farmers, or buy the land as is and sell it at a higher price in the future. Residential real estate. This type of real estate require a considerable amount of money and labor efforts from you, but they have the ability to provide substantial returns and consistent cash flow. Investors make money through rental income or profiting from the increase of value of the property from the time they acquired it to the time they sell it. By the way, if you guys are looking to invest in condominiums or land, you may contact Ryan Macalino. He's one of my real estate agents. Super bait niya and very responsive. He was actually recommended by my mom, and I'm so grateful because he didn't give us a hard time even after sales. He's very responsive too on all of my inquiries and very smooth ang transactions with him. He has been in the industry for 6 years now with connections at Avida, San Jose Builders, Federal Land, SMDC, DMCI, Ayala Land Premier, and Mega World. Commercial real estate. Just like residential real estate, this is also considered as an active investment, since it entails the investor owning and renting the facility to companies that want to use it. You may generate cash flow through, again, rental income or selling it at a higher price when its value increases. Non-physical real estate. This includes REITs and crowdfunding platforms. Unlike physical real estate, you don't need a large amount of money to start investing here. REITs. If you want to invest in commercial buildings with a smaller amount of money, REITs is a good option. These are invested in commercial buildings such as malls, offices, hospitals. Instead of owning assets, you may invest in REITs and get income from the properties that the business manages. You may buy shares of these firms from the stock market. You may check out my video about REITs here. Crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding is a type of investment wherein the different investors combine their money or finances to invest in projects or companies that would not be able to fund it on their own. This type of investment, like REITs, require a small capital upfront and is considered a passive type of investment. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something on this video. Stay tuned to know more. I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, hit hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye. But they have the ability to fit. That's it, guys. I hope you learned something on That's it, guys. I hope you learned something on this.